Good morning again. Same day, different test. We done the 50-yard test, same gun. Precision, Ruger, 22 LR with the Victor scope. Victor for 50 yards was set on the 25 on the focus. That was strong enough to see. Didn't change no turrets, left everything like it was when I done the 25-yard test. If you didn't see that video, check it out because everything shot fantastic at 25 yards. 25 more yards makes a big difference. Same ammo, subsonic. First one, second one standard, third one Remington, Magtech, sucked like 50 yards. To do so good at 25, it sucked bad. Federal, small game, 38, high velocity, but it's a 38 bullet. Stinger, too much power, man. This would be good for some real long shooting, I believe, or hunting, or just hunting, whatever you want to call it, because, man, there's some power here with that 1640. Ely did not do the one whole thing I thought it was going to do. It done it at 25, but it spread out more at 50, but we're going to go take a look at it. Talk to y'all as I walk. Again, like I said, I was surprised. I didn't think it was going to spread as much as it did. And I thought some of it would come down since it was shooting high at 25. I thought it would come down, but it didn't. So we're going to see what we can do here and see which one's the best to be working with that rifle at 50 yards. Because whatever it is, that's what I'm going to get. I'm wanting to say the velocity done better. I can't remember though. It must be the wash machine running. I hear something running. All right, here we are at the 50 yard. Subsonic. CCI subsonic. Not bad at all. It shot a little bit to the right. But you got to remember now, these targets are the size of a quarter. So that's what I'm shooting at. The size of a quarter right there. All right. It's a 1-inch target, I guess you could say. Because the size of a quarter. Right here is the standard velocity. Kind of trailed up, but I think it done pretty good. So I like them two right there, right off the bat. But now, here's another close one. Subsonic. This is Remington. Done just about, I say all three of them done pretty much about the same. And then right here, God, what was, oh yeah, this was the Magtech. See how it spread out? Shot low and spread out pretty good bit. Then I come over here to the Stinger. Yeah, it's the same thing as a Stinger, but they call it the Stinger. No. I am hugely sorry for that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So one did go, yeah, Stinger, it went over. That's what I got right there. There's not before unless two went in the same hole. I'm not sure, but there's probably 5. It looks like that hole right there might be a double. Same hole. Then right here was the I can't remember what this was, people, but it spread out bad right there. This was the Ely. This is the last one I shot. Told you, old people, old mind. That's one reason I'll be glad to get a camera rolling. But Ely done the best, of course. And I'm not a perfect shooter, but Ely done the best, but it was shot kind of high. I don't know what velocity Ely 10X is, but I have to look up this FPS on that. But right now, I'm saying besides Ely, because that's some expensive ammo. I paid, when I bought this stuff, I was paying like $26 a box for 50. I think it's come down a little bit now. I think it's something like $22 a box for 50, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But I still think the subsonic, and this is HP now. It's doing real good. I like that. Then you got your standard. Of course, now this is a round, just lead round. And then you got this one here, which is your Remington subsonic. It's identical to the, really, I say the hose is about, or the thing's about the same. I'm gonna get a ruler and measure these things and mark them here a little bit. But, and then I gotta go back and find out what I'm getting mixed up between these two here, because one of these is I think this, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to go back and check. I'm sorry, folks, but they didn't do good anyway, so it don't really matter. They really didn't do good anyway. Because see here, these two hit here, 1, 2, same hole, and then 1, 1, 2, 1, then shot high. I always shoot five rounds, and I don't see but 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 must have went in the same hole right here. Because it looks a little bit bigger. Let's see if I can tell in the back, unless one sprayed and went over. I don't know, on the back I'd say just one bullet went through. So it might have sprayed and went over. But I know that was this was MagTech. I know that what this was now. This was the small game Federal. That's what this one was. That was MagTech. This is the Federal small game. So one probably did go over, because I was surprised it was grouping so tight right there, but one might have went over. It could be one in the same hole, but I say one might have went over, but that's still not as, over there on the 25, I think it was almost a one hole, just about. So you see how much it's spread out already. That's probably about a little over an inch right there. This was your Federal. I mean, excuse me, Stanger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's spread well. It's still spread out about the same as it was back there. But that's definitely Ely. That's definitely subsonic. That's definitely standard velocity, which I love that standard velocity. I really love all three of them. And this is the Remington subsonic. 150, 150. This is 170. But I now know I got 3 ammos, not counting 10x, because I'm a budget guy. I use this here. If I was to get in a competition with some guys, I'd probably pull some of my 10x out and stuff like that there. But I don't regularly shoot that because it's just too expensive. I bought it when I bought it. I just bought it to see what it would do. Never shot it before. I just want to see what it would do. But it got good grouping on it. I could probably do better than that, but excuse me. But that's a 1-inch targets. And bought these 3-inch targets right here. I'm gonna start shooting on, see what, so I can do a little better at guessing where's an inch or 2-inch, whatever. I got a ruler to measure them with, but every time I come out here, I always forget it. But anyway, this is Blind Sniper, and he's enjoyed this morning. He's learned a lot this morning about this ammo, about this gun, and about this scope, because I'm going to play with it a little bit more before I go in the house. But like I said, this was the originals. Sub, this is 25. Sub, standard, Remington, sub. That there was MagTech. See how MagTech done real good there at 25? And here's that small game Federal at 25. Fantastic. I thought it would do better than what it did. I might try some more of it. It might have just been me. And then we jumped over here, and that was the high velocity Stingers. And of course, that was the one single hole. That's what I said, it's probably me, because there don't seem to be no wind out here. But I'll try that. That's the Ely, 25 yards. But love y'all. God bless you. Take care. I won't be doing no more videos today. What I do now is just gonna be me messing around, testing my skills out a little bit. Try to build my skills up because I ain't really got no skills. But do me a favor, people, please like and subscribe, or give me a thumbs down and subscribe. I don't care. I just need to get out there more. I need to get more subscribers so I can do more. I'm not looking to make money off of this thing, but if nobody's appreciating it, there's no need me videoing it, putting it on the internet. That's the way I look at it. And if I don't hear from y'all, or you don't subscribe and you don't give me no thumbs up or thumbs down, I figure you don't care about it. So why waste my time? I can just enjoy myself shooting. I was just trying to teach you some things, and hopefully y'all teach me some things. And keep you from buying a whole bunch of different ammos like I've done that you don't really need to get. You see what happens. If my video says this gun shot this good, or this model gun, not this gun, but this model gun shot this good with this ammo, and you got one or two other videos that tell you the same thing, bump all the rest of the ammo, just buy that one type. Save you a lot of money, a lot of time. Anyway, this is Blind Sniper. Love you, take care, God bless you. May God give you everything that you need and some of what you want, if not all. Amen. Take care. Bye.